and I'm a Carp Library Fellow, XR Researcher, and XR Specialist for Studio X, the University of Rochester's hub for XR technology. Here is your bite-sized XR update for the month of October. Microsoft shows off Adaptive Shape VR Controller prototype. The goal of Microsoft's new controller is to allow users to feel as if they are holding objects while in VR without the use of haptic gloves. The device is able to emulate a certain amount of shapes, though it is quite bulky. Another feature of this controller is its lack of joystick, instead opting for touchpad controls. Hands-on with the new HTC Vive Flow VR glasses. The HTC Vive Flow will not be a competitor for the Oculus Quest by any means, though that was not the intent for the developers. This device will serve as a daily VR experience, with a lightweight headset allowing users to not only wear it for extended periods of time, but also allows it to be easily transported. With applications for watching media in VR and other things like meditation, it is not a gaming-capable device. Its main issues are its hefty price at $500, its lack of battery, and its required Android device as a controller. The company is currently looking into iPhone compatibility. Facebook Connect. Connect happened on October 28th. Facebook rebranded to Meta to show their new focus on the metaverse projects throughout Horizons. Rumors and leaks about a new Oculus were confirmed with the announcement of Project Cambria. They also claim that they'll be removing the Facebook account login requirement for Oculus headsets, but we'll have to see about that. XR at UR. Associate Professor of History, Michael Jarvis, is creating a website that will allow virtual tours of a 1623 English fort on the coast of Ghana. The fort was among the earliest to send enslaved Africans to American colonies. For more information, see the article linked in the description below. And that's all we have for the October episode of This Month in XR. If you want to get connected with us, follow us on social medias, which are linked in the description below, and of course, give this channel a follow. Thanks for watching!